Not all workplace hazards can be fully controlled or eliminated. When hazards in the work environment cannot be engineered out, or when guard shields and other safety devices have limited effectiveness, there will often be a need to wear personal protective equipment. It is important to understand that personal protective equipment is not a substitute for hazard control, but the last safety option to be implemented after all other practical safety measures have been considered and applied. Personal protective equipment, therefore, is rarely used in insulation, and it is often incorporated into safety procedures as an added protection should an accident occur.
The proper clothes for do the practice is always safety for to protect us. We have our shoes with a steel cover that we protect us to some tool or some liquid that is very hot or very cold couldn't damage our feet. We need to have a pants, a clothes, and a row of pants to protect us for the same purpose. We have to use our glasses of protection to avoid that a little part or a little thing can through into our eyes. And finally, we have to use a bat to protect our body to prevent accidents.
The use of safety guards or safety footwear is not allowed in replacement of safety shoes because these accessories restrict the mobility of the person. Never leave the equipment working without attention or distract who is operating them. Is not allowed to eat or drink in the 16105 or any other laboratories inside CIMA, nor is smoking allowed. If you do not know how to operate a device, you will not be allowed to use it without deception. There are no overtimes or additional service on weekends. The use of audio devices with an open horn is not allowed in any area of the CIMA, especially inside the 16105 laboratories and the exhibition hall. To avoid distractions, hearing aids are not allowed during the operation of manual and automatic machinery. Do not insist you will not be allowed to work with the earphones on. Do not introduce substance or liquids into containers intended for other purposes. Any substance, oil, or reagent must be labeled with a safety diamond. It's not allowed to walk inside a laboratory consulting or writing on.
Some types of risks to face in an industry are occupational or personal risks, such as sleeping, falling, cutting, and vehicular accidents. Usually, this affects individual workers. The safety risks of process are those that can cause major accidents, including the emission of potential dangerous materials, fires, and explosions. That's why process safety incidents can have catastrophic effects and can result in multiple injuries and fatalities, as well as substantial economic damage to the environment and property. Also, these incidents can hurt the workers inside the plant and also the public media residing in the vicinity of the plant. For these reasons, the Process Safety Administration in an industry focuses on the design and engineering of facilities, risk assessment, incident investigation, change management, inspection, testing, effective control and alarms, operation and maintenance procedures, staff training, and human factors.